If you want to know how to clip video on ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So let's say that we want to delete the unnecessary parts from this video inside of this project. And in order to do it, if you want to delete end or the beginning, for example, we can just simply click on the corners on the timeline and then just move them to the necessary position. For example, if you want to cut until this time, and at the beginning, if you want to cut, for example, this part here. And basically, I suggest you to delete these parts inside from the beginning to the video, because you'll have some black screen. And what if you want to delete, for example, the central part? Do we have the solution? Yes. Firstly, we need to find the beginning of the content we'd like to delete, and then split into two different videos. After that, move our marker to the necessary position and then delete it once more, split. So now we can delete this object in the central part, and then just delete this space between two different videos. So after that, our video will be automatically deleted, and as you can see, now we can do something like this. Of course, I suggest you to use some transitions between two parts, and after that it looks much more interesting. And after that, everything is done. We can just simply click on export, choose the necessary quality, and then just export our video. So this is a way of how can we clip videos on ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.